morning and welcome to our Photokina 2012 booth here in Köln. We have many new products here, and we'll start with the National Geographic range that we have here set up. Here's the new National Geographic Go-To telescope, the automatic. With a nice Go-To handbox, the Maxutov telescope. So quite high grade and nice to use. There are entry-level National Geographic telescopes. It's a small reflector telescope, 76mm diameter, 350mm focal length, and this is the bigger brother, 114mm near diameter. The National Geographic line has much more to offer than just telescopes, as you can see here. We have many different items such as weather stations, the home planetarium, where you can show the items or the stars onto your ceiling. We have solar products like this radio, and we also have a charging crank, so you're always mobile outside and perfectly fitting into the National Geographic brand. We have many other products in the National Geographic range, like weather stations, binoculars, in the compact form and the regular 4.0 size zoom. We have the new 3x25 night vision. We have a laser rangefinder. We have various models of microscopes with PC connection. You simply put the mini USB cable in the back. And we have a very nice product here, a whole planetarium projecting the nighttime sky onto your ceiling in your room. This is our Montana binocular series. It's the high end of our binocular range. The special thing about these is that they're phase coated, taking out the extraordinary reflections of the binoculars. We have them in the roof prism type binoculars and the 4.0 prism binoculars, and obviously in the pocket size. The Bresser Condor series. Special about this is that they're all waterproof, especially made for bird watchers and nature watchers. They're fitted with PK4 prisms, so you have a nice bright object when you're looking through them. Nicely coated, it's a fully multi-coated system, so all layers of the optics are coated. This is our Corvette series. This is for the price-conscious consumer. It's also PK4 prism fitted, fully multi-coated, 4.0 and roof prism, and also pocket binoculars. But like I said, for the consumers that are a little bit price-conscious. Part of our Bresser Outdoor series are the game cameras. Here we have a nice new version, a 360-degree camera. We have 3 cameras inside, each taking pictures of 120 degrees. You have various IRs down here, meaning they actually light up the image during night. So this camera can very easily and perfectly be used during nighttime for security, for watching animals on your property. This is a smaller brother. It's a 120 degrees game camera or security camera, also very good to observe what is happening around your house. And for the price-conscious users, we have a 60-degree game camera here. Also, part of the outdoor series, we have the Bresser night vision units and the laser rangefinders. Bresser SE telescope series. It's a high-end telescope of Bresser. We have various OTA sizes, and it's fitted on a nice equatorial mount, sturdy steel tripod, and as you can see in the background here, there's many different models of zoom-in telescopes and refractors. Here we have a very special item. It's a digitarium. It's a planetarium, not a home planetarium, but a real planetarium. We only have a small dome here, but in our warehouse we have a large dome, and very nice to see the nighttime sky in here. It's very professional. It's for real schools, universities, planetariums.
And do it turn. Okay.
Here we have the Bresser microscope range. It's very wide selection from entry level all the way to really heavy study microscopes up here. We have a very special item here. It's an LCD microscope. It's a world first. We've been selling it for 5 years. In the meantime, we've sold more than 100,000 units of this item. You can watch it here. You can transform the image onto SD card, or you can transform it right on your PC via mini USB cable. So it's very easy to use for not just one person, but 3-4 people at the same time. Here's our new model, also an LCD monitor, but larger than the other model. It's a higher definition camera. It's a touch screen, also with the mechanical desk, so it can very precisely move the object that's on the desk. I have room here for my specimens that I have under here. I can dim the images. I can turn the light on and off on the top and bottom. We have stereo microscopes in our range here. This is our new microscope. Especially about this microscope, I can actually look through it with my eye, or there's a built-in camera here where I can connect the computer with a mini USB cable here, obviously to your computer. We have various stereo microscopes or other biological microscopes. For example, with this camera, it's a 9 megapixel camera, and very high definition images can be transmitted onto your computer. This is our Bresser Junior line, concentrated for youth and students. We have all kinds of products from all our regular ranges, and like microscopes. The neat thing about these is that these products have experiments, bringing the products easier to them. So it means for the microscopes we have experiments, showing them how to use the microscopes, showing them to get interest into biology. The same thing with telescopes, we have experiments, and they get interested in astronomy. And here we have Professor Bresser. So this is a new Bresser Connect system where you can transmit various things onto your mobile device, like an iPad or iPhone or any Android smartphone. Basically, you can transmit the soil temperature. If you have a plant outside, the soil moisture, and you can always check and see if you need to water your plants. You can monitor your power usage in your home. You can turn lights on and off with your mobile devices using this unit. You can measure the amount of rain that has fallen in your backyard, the temperatures you can see. You have another item also measuring the soil moisture, but the neat thing about this is that it actually re-waters the plants itself. Along the Bresser electronics items, we have many different models of weather stations, as they're shown here. This is a temp tent. This is a very nice system. It's the Meteo time system. It means you can get via a radio signal today's actual temperature, and then following 3 days you get weather warnings from the Swiss weather service, Meteo service.